Steady. Go.
Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear Basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, a warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to enrich with all these possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end.
So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates.
Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today in this video, we will cover the exercise part of the chapter number 10 of Marigold, that is circle. So friends, let us move on to our first slide. Now friends, let us know some new words with their meanings from this story along with the example of sentences. Here in this slide, our first word is ball. B-A-L-L, ball. It is a spherical object and it is used for playing. Friends, we all play with this and it looks like this. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. The boy is playing with the ball. Our next word is blue. B-L-U-E, blue, which is the color of the sky. Friends, look at this picture. Here you can see the color of the sky is blue. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. I have a blue colored dress. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on the I button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. Now friends, let us move on to our next word. Our next word is circle. A circle is a regular geometric shape which can be drawn using a curved line. Friends, look at this. This is called circle. It looks like this. A circle has no side. Now friends, let us draw a circle together using a curved line. This is called a circle. Now friends, let us take an example of a sentence. I can draw a circle. Our next word is lines. A line is a straight one-dimensional figure of infinite length. Now friends, look at this picture. A line looks like this. Let me draw it for you friends. This is called a line. Now friends, let us take an example of a sentence. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Our last word is moon. This is the natural satellite of Earth. We can see the moon at the night sky. Now friends, let us take an example of a sentence. The moon is round in shape. Friends, we will provide you more examples, worksheets, puzzles in our FB and Telegram groups. So friends, don't forget to join our FB and Telegram group. Link is in the description box below. Now let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, let us solve the exercise questions. Our first question is, what did grandmother and Mohini draw first? Friends, try to remember the answer. You can also take help from this picture. Yes, you are correct. The answer of the question is, grandmother and Mohini drew a circle at first. Now friends, let us move on to our next question. Our next question is, what were the colors of the balloons that Mohini drew? Friends, Let us take some time to think. You are correct. The colors of the balloons that Mohini drew on her copy were red, blue, green and yellow. Friends, I hope you all have understood the answers clearly. Now let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, let us do some fun again. In this slide, we can see there are two circles. Let us draw the same circle which grandmother had drawn in her copy in the first circle. So, the grandmother first drew a circle, then a ball, and then a balloon. Mohini also did the same. First a circle, then a ball, then a balloon, and she also drew a wheel, a sun, and her own face. Friends, I hope you all have understood this clearly. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day's surprise question. Check your answer friends. The answer of the previous day's question is 26. It is a two-digit number and this is bigger than 25 and lesser than 27. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now friends, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The surprise is guess who am I? Friends, listen very carefully. I have sharp teeth but I never bite. And the next clue is you use me every day. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Stay safe, stay well, go with Clear Basic. Bye bye friends.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.